So I'm done twisting my hair, as you can see. I'm now going to dry it. On a normal basis, I normally sleep with it like this and then I remove the twists in the morning. But today I want to try using a blow dryer to dry it and then we'll see the results. So I'm putting the cool option. As you can see, the whitish things have disappeared because now it has dried. But then I'm not yet comfortable like twisting it out right now because I'm normally used to sleeping with the twists and then I remove them in the morning. So I'm just going to let them sit overnight. So it's the following day and these are my twists. So I want to show you how to unravel them so that you get now the twist out. So yeah, keep watching. I'm done undoing the twist. So what you do right now is take a comb and comb from the inside, but don't let it come all the way to the top because it's going to destroy the curls. So you just comb the roots, just the roots, to avoid having spaces in between. So now I'm going to lay my edges using this thankyou styling gel and a toothbrush and some pins for styling. So I'm just going to take the gel and my toothbrush. Then I'm going to I'm going to take my bobby pins. I've not decided on which style I'm going to style it, but I think I'm just going to section it there, then pin here. I actually don't have a mirror, so I'm gonna see how it looks like. If it doesn't look good, I'm going to change the style. So guys, that's how the twist outs came out, and I've styled them in a boho style. Yeah, it was really tiresome doing this, but I had to do it for you guys so that you can also try it. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment down below on your thoughts about the video. Yeah, so till the next one, bye bye.